Good morning, Mido. Up early all by yourself. Today feels like an adventure. Mommy is still sleeping, but I'm so hungry. I'm a big boy. I'll make breakfast by myself. I don't need Mommy's help. I'm a chef now. Should I make eggs or cheese? Eggs are yummy. The best eggs ever. Yummy. They look perfect. I'm so talented.
What happened to the kitchen? Was there a battle here or what? What did you do? Let's clean the kitchen together, Mido. Well done, Mido. The food is so tasty. Yummy.
Do you love Mido? Then like, comment, and subscribe. Bye-bye.